Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rajan sir. Okay then. Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about the thief story. It was a just introductory part. कल introduction दी थी, and I think you must be knowing the story little bit. But today we'll start reading the chapter and I'll explain the chapter. Okay. So we'll go little bit line wise. You can take out the chapter. It is on page number in my book. It is given some 8 pages. Okay, because there are some books which are having Hindi explanation also. Their pages can be okay. Starting the thief story. The thief story. I think story you may be knowing. It was a story of a young boy whose name is Hari Singh, mentioned in the chapter. Is chapter mein Hari Singh naam hai. He's just 15 years old. And another person is the Mr. Anil. Anil is 25 years old. He's very lean and thin, and actually he used to write for a magazines के लिए लिखता था. And what happened to him? How did he help him? He was a thief. How he was he reformed? कैसे उसमें सुधार हुआ? Let's go and read in this chapter. आओ इस chapter में पढ़ते हैं. And how did he help him? उसने उसकी कैसे मदद? Okay, so let's start with that. I was still a thief when I met Anil. Now, Hari Singh is telling, he is the narrator actually in this chapter. Hari Singh is telling, I was still a thief. मैं अभी भी thief था when I met Anil, जब मैं अनिल से मिला. And though only 15, means his age was only 15 years, and I was an experienced and fairly skillful hands. Fairly skillful in the, it means he was a thief in the robbery and all. He was having a very skillful hand. बहुत ही अच्छा था वो robbery करने में, चोरी करने में. And he never left any prints and all. उसने कभी भी मतलब वहां पर कोई निशान नहीं छोड़े to avoid being caught. मतलब उसका पकड़े जाने के डर से. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. When I approached means coming to him. जब उसके पास गया, he was watching a wrestling match. एक wrestling match देख रहे थे. He was about 25. That is the age of Anil. Anil was 25, whereas Hari Singh was 15 years. A tall, lean fellow, very tall and very lean. Lean means very thin fellow, not fat. And he looked easygoing, means from the outlook, appearance, physical appearance, he looks easygoing. बिल्कुल easygoing लग रहा था. Not, you can say carefree, not having any worry and about the life. And a kind and simple enough for any purpose. Means he was looking very simple, बहुत ही simple लग रहा था. It means the Hari Singh, he was very happy that he can very well deceive him. उसको वो cheat कर सकता था. And easily he can be trapped. वो उसको easily मतलब अपने उसमें trap में डाल सकता था. I hadn't had much. काफी दिनों से उसका अच्छा नहीं था. It means he was not having see, it is a comment, remarks. You look bit of a wrestler yourself. आप थोड़े से wrestler नजर आ रहे हो. Whereas in the it is mentioned he was lean and thin. बहुत ही lean था and very thin. And I said a little flattery helps. It was a flattery. Flattery means trying to please him. उसको please करने की कोशिश कर रहा था. I said a little flattery helps in making friends. मतलब जैसे if you want to start converse with someone, you have to little bit you praise her, him or her. You have to praise, and then you can keep on starting. And so you do, he replied. And he also told in the same tone. उसने भी उसी tone में जवाब दिया. So you do. It means you also look like a wrestler. आप भी एक wrestler हो. And which put me off for a moment. It means for some time, for a moment, he was just off. Off means he was unable to speak anything. He was unable to converse because he wanted to converse with him. उसके साथ बात करना चाहता था so that he can get in his confidence. उसके confidence में मिल जाए. But the way he answered. And Anil, he told Hari Singh, he told that he was also at that time very thin. वो भी थोड़ा सा पतला था, lean and thin he was also there. So that's why he was unable to speak. There can be a question, see, very short question, one sentence answer, this sort of question can. Why he could not answer when he was told that when Anil told Hari Singh that he also looked like a wrestler की तरह. It means why? What was the reason? Because he was also thin at that time. He was just 15 years old. He was also thin. वो भी मतलब ज्यादा दुबला पतला. Well, I said modesty. Modesty means simplicity, normal. I do wrestle a bit. मैं थोड़ी सी wrestling कर लेता हूँ. A bit थोड़ी सी small in quantity. I do wrestle a bit. थोड़ी सी wrestle कर लेता हूँ. And what's your name? आपका नाम क्या है? Hari Singh. He told, what's your name? Hari Singh. Hari Singh. I lied. He told lie. Why did he lie? Because yesterday I told you that he used to change his name every after month. But this time his name was Hari Singh and he lied. And I took a new name every month. There can be a question, why did he take new name every month? क्यों वो हर महीने दूसरे नया नाम ले लेता था? Because to save himself from the former employees and from the police. Police escaping by this way. इस method से वो उनसे बच जाता था. After this introduction, this was introduction. ये उनकी introduction थी. After this, Anil looked about well-oiled wrestler. Anil एक ऐसा, and I talked about the well-oiled wrestler. Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestler. The well-oiled wrestler, those were wrestlers, those were doing their wrestlers were there in the ground, जो ground में थे, they were doing wrestling and all, जो कर रहे थे, and who was grunting means rolling, rather you can say kurana, and oil, well oiled means they are trying to put oil so that to avoid the catch, so that grip and all, so that grip is loose and all, and the grip should not be tight. That's all. To avoid all these things, they rubbed the oil. उन्होंने oil लगा लिया था to avoid the grip, पकड़ को कमजोर करने के लिए. Wrestler who were grunting, lifting, एक दूसरे को lift कर रहे थे, throwing each other about, और एक दूसरे को they were throwing at each other, एक दूसरे को फेंक रहे थे. Means this is the way of wrestling. They were doing wrestling. I didn't have much to say. मैं कुछ ज्यादा वहां पर बोल नहीं पाया after this one because Anil he started talking about the wrestler के बारे में उसने बात करना शुरू किया, the type of wrestler and how they were doing, what they were doing, क्या कर रहे थे वो, and that's why he could not say anything. वो कुछ नहीं बोल पाया. Anil walked away. Anil वहां से चला गया. I followed him casually. Casually means just without any interest because he wanted that I should get in his confidence. किसी भी तरह से उसको confidence में. That's why he followed him. Why did he follow? Because he wanted to get in his confidence. उसके confidence में जाना चाहता था. Because actually for many days he did not have anything. उसके पास खाने के लिए भी नहीं था and nor he had shelter. कोई भी shelter नहीं थी. That's why he needed both the things very. It was one of the two things which is very necessary for him. जो दोनों चीजें थी काफी important थी उसके लिए. Hello again he said. दोबारा again he tried to talk to him. दोबारा फिर उसने उससे बात करने की कोशिश की. Hello he said. उसने कहा hello. I gave him my most appealing smile. Appealing, trying to please him again. Appealing smile. उसने उसकी appealing smile की. I want to work for you. And he told I want to work for you. मैं आपके लिए काम करना चाहता हूँ. I said but I can't pay you. He told, but I can't pay you. मैं आपको पे तो नहीं कर सकता. If you want to work, you can work, but I can't pay. मैं आपको पे नहीं कर सकता. I thought over for a moment, and when he gave answer this, I can't pay. मैं आपको पे नहीं कर सकता. Then he thought over for a minute, थोड़े मिनट के लिए उसने सोचा. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. Now earlier, because he was thinking he is very easygoing and all, and he can very easily. But after this conversation and all, he thought that he had misjudged the man. उस व्यक्ति को उसने misjudge किया. He is very clever, very intelligent. I asked, can you feed me? Then finally he asked. Means actually he wanted shelter at any cost because he was deprived of both the things for many days. काफी दिन से वो deprived था. He was not having that one, and that's why he wanted his confidence and he wanted at least food and shelter to survive. सर्वाइव करने के लिए। ओके, देन व्हेन ही टोल्ड कैन यू फीड मी, क्या आप मुझे फीड कर सकते हो, मींस कैन यू प्रोवाइड मी फूड, क्या आप मुझे खाना दे सकते हो। कैन यू कुक, अगेन ही टोल्ड कैन यू कुक, क्या आप कुक कर सकते हो, खाना पका सकते हो। आई कैन कुक, आई लाइड अगेन, दोबारा फिर उसने झूठ बोल दिया, आई लाइड अगेन, बिकॉज ही डिड नॉट टू प्रिपेयर फूड, उसको खाना बनाना बिल्कुल नहीं आता था। एंड इफ यू कैन over that one, he took him, उसको लेके गया shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony and he was allowed to sleep in the balcony, और balcony में उसको सोना allowed कर दिया। But the meal I cooked that night, लेकिन जो meal उसने उस night cook खाना बनाया and must have been terrible, इतना terrible था, terrible मतलब he was not of quality, the food he prepared such that even Anil gave it to a stray dog. Stray dog means street dog. आवारा dog, कुत्ते होते हैं उनको dog डाल दिया and told me to be off and you can go because you can't prepare. You told lie. His name he was not known what was his real name. उसका real नाम क्या था? But he told lie that he could. उसने cook करने के लिए वो झूठ बोला. But I just hang around. Hang around means he did not go. He was just moving here and there, not going straight, smiling in the most appealing. And he tried to convince him always. Tried to convince him in the appealing smile. Smile उसको थोड़ा appealing. Appealing means trying to please him. उसको खुश करने की smiling में. And then he could not help laughing. And he means Anil, when he was trying, he did not go and he was trying to hang around, वहीं पर वो घूम रहा था and most appealing smile, then Anil, he could not help laughing, उसकी हंसी आ गई थी अनिल को। And later he patted on the head, उसने उसका head pat किया, थपथपाया and said never mind, उसने कहा okay don't worry, means I think he might have understood his problem, उसकी शायद problem वो समझ गया था because he was not going, it means he was in a dire need of food and shelter, शायद उसको food और shelter की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत थी। And he would teach me to cook, he told that he would teach me to cook, he would teach him how to prepare food, उसको खाना कैसे बनाया जाएगा वो सिखा देगा। He would also taught me to write my name, उसने मुझे he also taught me उसको writing name and all, and said that he would soon teach me to write full sentences, और उसने कहा थोड़े दिन में you will be able to write full sentences, आप पूरे sentence लिख पाएंगे, and to add numbers and mathematical calculation and all you will be able to do, आप कुछ कर लोगे इसको। It means now he started teaching him also and as well as he taught him how to prepare food, उसको खाना कैसे बनाया जाता है वो भी बनाना उसने सिखा दिया। I was grateful, he was very thankful, very obliged. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, जब वो educated man, it means when he would be educated man, जब वो educated हो जाएगा, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. कोई limit नहीं होगी what he could achieve in the life. जिंदगी में क्या achieve कर सकता है? There would not be any limit for that. I was quite pleasant working for Anil. Anil के लिए I was quite pleasant. Now he was very happy working for Anil because he has started working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning. What was the routine? Sometimes they can be a question. What was the routine of the Anil when he not Anil Hari Singh when he went to Anil? जब वो अनिल के पास गया, what was his routine? I made tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supply. Day's supply means kitchen supply, whatever he required, and usually making a profit out of a rupee a day. Means per day he used to make 1 rupee out of this purchasing and all. इस purchasing से वो 1 रुपया हर रोज बचा लेता था। I think he knew, and even Anil also he knew. अनिल को भी पता लग गया था। I made a little money the way this way. कि इस तरीके से he is trying to save 1 rupee per day for himself. वो अपने लिए ही 1 रुपया बचा रहा था। But he did not seem to mind. But he did not care for that. उसने ज्यादा उसकी परवाह नहीं की। उसने ज्यादा उसकी परवाह नहीं की। Okay, now next. Anil made money by fits and starts. Now Anil, what was the source of income for Anil? Anil के लिए source of income क्या थी? by fits and start means not regular, not regular. Sometime it comes, sometime for 10 to 15 days he's without money, again he borrows from somewhere, then he gets the check, and this was the routine. He would borrow 1 week, एक week वो borrow करेगा, lend the next, and next week he would lend, वो उनके साथ lend कर देगा, मतलब उधार चुका देगा. He kept worrying about the next check, only he was thinking about the next check, अगले check के बारे में वो केवल चिंता करता रहता था. But as soon as it arrived, लेकिन जैसे ही वो check आता था, he would go and celebrate. मतलब he used to spend in merry making, and merry making, खुशियां मनाने में with the friends and all, he used to celebrate that, he used to spend the money, वो पूरा पैसा ऐसे मतलब spend कर देता था. It seems he wrote for magazines. इसका मतलब वो magazines के लिए लिखता था. He was a writer actually. Used to write for magazine के लिए लिखता था. A queer way to make a living. फिर very strange way to make a living. आजीविका कमाने का एक बहुत ही अजीब सा साधन था. One evening he came home with a small bundle of notes. और एक दिन वो उनके bundle of notes के साथ में आया, saying that he had just sold a book to a publisher, and he told that he has sold a book to the publisher. एक publisher को उसने एक book बेची है. At night I saw him tuck the money under the mattress, keeping the money under the mattress के नीचे जो पैसे रखते हुए. I had been working for Anil for almost a month. लगभग 1 महीना हो गया था. He had been working for Anil. अनिल के लिए काम कर रहा था. Apart from the cheating on the shopping, and what was his income? मतलब how did he get the money? Only from the cheating from the shopping, or the provision whatever he used to purchase the kitchen and all, and had done nothing. Had not done nothing in my line of work, means according to the line of work. What was that? Robbery, theft. He has not done anything. इस तरह की कोई चीज उसने चोरी या नहीं किया था. I had every opportunity for doing so. Whereas he was also having opportunity. उसके पास opportunity भी थी to steal anything, कोई भी चीज चोरी करने की. Anil had given me a key to the door. क्योंकि अनिल ने उसको डोर की की दे दी थी, चाबी भी दे दी थी. He has got the full chance, he has got full opportunity to steal anything, कोई भी चीज चोरी. But for the month, 1 month, he did not do anything. एक महीने तक मतलब he was working there till month, and he did not do anything except making some money from the purchasing and all. जो purchase करता था केवल थोड़ा सा पैसा उससे वो बना लेता था. And I could come and go as I please. Means with the help of key, he could go anywhere and he could visit any place. कोई भी जगह वो जा सकता था. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. And now Hari Singh is telling that he was the most trusting person. वो ज़्यादा विश्वास कर लेता था किसी पे भी विश्वास. Because Hari Singh he was a thief. वो thief था, but still trusted him. He was a stranger for him. उसके लिए एक अजनबी था. But he trusted him without much problem. बिना कोई problem के उसने उसको trust किया था. And that is why it was so difficult to rob him. It means it was very difficult to rob him. उसके लिए rob करना, cheating करना, steal करना, something and all, theft and all, it is very difficult. It is easy to rob a greedy person because he can afford. If someone is very greedy, लालची कोई भी है, it means he can afford to be robbed. उसके पास होगा पैसा. He is very greedy. He does not spend money. वो money spend नहीं करता. He is having, it means he is having money to be robbed. उसको rob करने के लिए पैसा मिल सकता है. But it is difficult a careless person. लेकिन to rob a careless person, it is very difficult because normally they feel little bit satisfaction when someone is feeling for stealing money. पैसा चुराने के लिए अगर किसी का पैसा चुराया जाता है and that person is feeling, अगर वो feel करता है, it means he is very happy, he is very content. But for the carefree person, carefree, very careless person who is not at all interested in saving money, and if money is spent hardly matter for him, उसके लिए बहुत मतलब कोई ज्यादा मायने नहीं रखता है. And the man sometimes he does not even notice. And if he has robbed him also, अगर उसको पकड़ लेता तो I think he might have not noticed also. उसको notice भी नहीं करता. And he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of his work. And what was his work? Robbing or the robbery. It was his profession, and no one is noticing that. It means the pleasure of work is no. उसके काम करने में उसको जो खुशी कोई मिलेगी नहीं. Well, it is time I did some real work. Now he started thinking, because after all he was a thief. Thief tha. He might have been up to this time he might have been very honest, काफी honest था, but not completely. He was not a complete honest because he was making some money from the purchasing, daily purchasing for the provision, the kitchen and all. जो किचन के लिए वो था, वो हमेशा उससे पैसे बनाता था. It means he was quite honest, but not completely. पूरी तरह से नहीं था. And even the Anil knew that he is making money, but still he did not mind. उसने कोई उसकी परवाह नहीं की. And he was sure, he knew that, वो जानता भी था. I told him myself, मैंने अपने आप को कहा. Now he told me, I'm out of practice. Means मेरी काफी दिन से practice नहीं हुई है. It means he did not do any robbery and all for many days. काफी दिनों से उसने मतलब robbery या कोई ऐसा काम नहीं किया था. Because his profession was robbing. किसी को rob करना या लूटना या cheating and all this thing. And if I don't take the money, अगर मैं, he also start thinking in other way, दूसरी तरीके से, because up to this time continuously there is a description of Anil also. He is very careful person, बिल्कुल careless person है, and he doesn't care for the money, बिल्कुल care नहीं करता. Now Hari Singh also thought, one, first of all he was out of practice, and moreover he was पर वेस्ट कर देगा इस पैसे को. एंड आफ्टर ऑल ही डजंट इवन पे. और वो उसको वट एवर वर्क हरी सिंह इज डूइंग, हरी सिंह जो भी वर्क कर रहा है, इवन ही डजंट पे फॉर इट. वो उसके लिए पे नहीं करता, वो उसके लिए पे नहीं करता. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द योर चैप्टर. फर्स्ट पार्ट, देयर आर सम क्वेश्चंस. आई वाज स्टिल ए थीफ व्हेन आई मेट अनिल. जब मैं अनिल से मिला, आई वाज स्टिल ए थीफ, मैं अभी भी थीफ था. Who does I refer to in this story? Who is I actually? I was still a thief when I met Anil. मैं अनिल से मिला. It means there are two. It means I is Hari Singh, the thief. What is a fairly successful hand? What do you mean the phrase is fairly, a fairly hand? It means he was very skillful hand. He had a good practice of this robbery, and he was not leaving any imprints or any evidence behind him. वो कोई भी evidence, किसी भी तरह का proof he was not leaving. He was such a skillful hand in the profession. अपने profession में he was having such a skillful hand. इतना अच्छा hand था उसका. Who does he get from Anil in return for his work? What does he get from Anil? Anil, or you can say what Anil was paying for him. Anil was paying him for his work. उसके काम के लिए अनिल उसको क्या देता था? Only food and shelter. Only food and shelter. But he used to make money from the kitchen purchase. Kitchen purchasing also. He wanted to make the. He tried to make the money. And how much he make per day? Almost 1 rupee. Almost 1 rupee. Okay. These were the questions. Actually, these are oral questions, textual questions, and we have covered this question. Anything you want to ask? We are going to have a recap of this one. Yes, whatever it is covered up to this time, now we will have a recap. Okay, actually when Anil he was watching a wrestling match, so एक wrestling match देख रहा था. At the time Hari Singh came. Hari Singh, he told his name. Hari Singh, he told that. उसने झूठ बोला था. 15 years, and he was also वो भी काफी lean and thin था, and he was very in 15 his age was just 15 years, but still he had a very skillful hand. उसके hand in his profession, जो उसका profession था, he was a thief. In his profession he was very he has very skillful hand. उसके बहुत ही skillful थे. It means he was very clever thief, rather you can say, and he was a good judge of human being. He told him that because when he saw Anil, his appearance, Anil ka appearance is very simple, easy going and all person. That's why he was ready to keep ready to keep him in his confidence. उसको अपने confidence में जाना मतलब काफी it looked easy for him. उसके लिए काफी easy लग रहा था. Then he met him, and they with a few कुछ introduction के लिए he start asking the job. He told him want to work for him. he had nothing, उसके पास कुछ नहीं था काफी दिन से. That's why he wanted someone to give him shelter and food, at least food और shelter देने की उसको जरूरत थी. And that's why can you give me food. उसने कहा कि आप मुझे खाना दे सकते हो. Then Anil told, if you can cook, अगर आप कुक कर सकते हो, then I can, मैं आपको खाना खिला सकता हूँ. Then the first day he took him to his house, उसको अपने घर ले गया. First day he made food. पहले दिन जब उसने प्रिपेयर किया, it was such a terrible food. इतना भी मतलब बेकार फूड बनाया था that even the stray dog did not. जो stray dog थे वहाँ पे, जो street dogs थे, they also did not. उन्होंने. And he told him, okay, you can go. आप जा सकते हो because you don't know how to cook food. आपको खाना बनाना तो आता नहीं. Then what? I can't make food for you. मैं आपके लिए आपको खाना बना के नहीं खिला सकता because that was the first condition. उसकी पहली condition ही यही थी that if he can cook, he would he can go school. That was condition. First day it was a just he prepared a terrible. उसने बहुत ही terrible एक मतलब बेकार सा खाना बनाया and even the state of वो भी उन्होंने नहीं लिया. Now he Anil told him that you can go now because you don't know it. मैं आपके लिए क्या करूँगा. Then finally he did not go. He was just lingering about. वहाँ वहीं पर घूमता रहा. And he was trying to please him. उसको please करने की कोशिश कर रहा था. And finally Anil agreed. बाद में अनिल मतलब बिल्कुल agree हो गया था last में. And he told him, which you prepare. मैं आपको खाना बनाना is teaching to read and writing or reading. उसने पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया. He started writing his name, अपना नाम लिखना शुरू कर दिया. And he also told that he would teach him. And with the passage of time, जैसे ही time pass होगा, he will be able to write full sentences and little bit addition. थोड़ी सी addition subtraction में mathematical calculations and all, he would be able to do it. थोड़ी सी वो कर लेगा. Like this, they keep on. And now, what was the routine? He used to prepare food. Then he used to go for purchasing of the kitchen and all. And the food he used to prepare for Anil. Anil के लिए खाना बनाता और purchase used to make money. वो पैसा मतलब बनता था. Per 1 rupee at least he used to make. Mean from the purchasing. उस purchasing में से 1 रुपया अपने लिए बचा लेता. वो बचा भी लेता था because Anil did not pay him. कोई पे नहीं करता था. And now Anil next. And one day he told that he has sold a book to the publisher. एक दिन उसने बोला कि वो एक publisher को book बेची थी and got some money. उसको ऐसा. And Anil he brought the money and he told Hari Singh also. उसने Hari Singh को भी बता दिया. I think he might have shown the money also. उसको पैसा भी बता दिया था. That's why he told this Anil. He told about the money. Now Hari Singh, after seeing the money, his mind totally changed. He was a thief, and when he saw the money, his mind totally changed. Again, the same instinct of a thief it came in his mind. तो पूरी उसकी चोर के वो उसके दिमाग में आ गए. And he wanted to. Now he wanted to convince himself. First of all, because Anil he was a carefree person. अनिल बिल्कुल केयर फ्री था और वो ज्यादा परवाह नहीं करता था. दैट्स व्हाई हरी सिंह थॉट दैट इफ ही वुड नॉट टेक मनी, अगर वो उससे पैसा नहीं लेगा, सर्टेनली ही इज गोइंग टू स्पेंड ऑन मैरी मेकिंग विद द फ्रेंड्स. वो भी अपने मैरी मेकिंग में वो उसको कर देगा. एंड सेकेंडली वट एवर वर्क हरी सिंह इज डूइंग फॉर अनिल, जो भी काम वो अनिल के लिए कर रहा है, आफ्टर ऑल ही इज नॉट पेइंग एनीथिंग. वो उसके लिए कोई पे कर रहा है, उसके लिए कुछ पे नहीं कर रहा है. That's why he thought that he would steal the money. वो उसका पैसा चुरा लेगा. And moreover, he was out of practice for many days because almost 1 month passed. He was since he was with the Anil. जब से वो अनिल के साथ था, he did not do anything. मतलब according to his profession, as per his profession, he did not do anything. कुछ भी नहीं किया था except making money from the kitchen purchase. जो भी किचन का परचेजिंग होती थी, out of that he used to make 1 rupee per. And he started preparing food and he also started reading और writing उसने start कर लिया था. Okay students, up to here anything you want to ask you can ask. Yes students, anything you want to ask you can ask now. Yes, any students? Akash sir?